Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel. Today we are going to build a sidebar menu. Now, when I click on this menu, sidebar will slide in. When I click it again, sidebar will slide out from our page. Now, let's go and build this one. I am in Visual Studio Code Editor. I have three files, index.html, style.css and app.js. And I have a menu image. First we'll write HTML. Go to index.html, here exclamation mark and hit enter and change title and link CSS file, that is style.css, and link JavaScript file. And inside body tag, first we'll create navbar, and I'm giving class name also nav. Inside this navbar, we'll create a button with ID btn menu, and inside this button we'll place a menu image. After this navbar, we'll create our sidebar. For that, div sidebar class name. Inside this sidebar, we'll create a title h2 sidebar. After this, we'll create unordered list. Inside this unordered list, we will have three list items, and each list item contains a link, and we need 3, so multiply it with 3. Okay, and save this file. Go to browser. I'm using live server. Here, this is our markup. Now we will style our markup. For that, right click on this tab and split screen, right, and click here and select style.css file. First, I'll give some basic styles. Now, we'll style our navbar. We gave class name nav. Give position fixed, and it should start top 0, left 0, and width 100, viewport width, and background color cyan. Okay, save this file and go to the browser. See, this is our navbar. Inside this navbar, we have button. Now we'll style this button, and we gave an ID for the button, that is button menu, and border none, and background color transparent. And go to the browser. See, this is our button. Now we will style our sidebar. Give position, this one also fixed, and 0, left 0, and width 300 pixels, height 100 viewport height, and give some background color black, and color or color of the text white, and text align center, and padding top and bottom 100 pixels, and left and right 0, and give some transition value. That's it for now. Go to the browser. See, this is our sidebar. The problem is our sidebar is on top of our navbar. To fix this one, go to navbar. here give some higher z index value and save it and go to the browser. See, that fixed the problem. Now we'll style inside our sidebar. We have h2 and links. And inside our sidebar, we have unordered list. We remove the bullet points and save it and go to the browser. See, now finally we style these links. Okay, these links are inside our sidebar. We have unordered list. Inside unordered list we have li. Inside li we have our links. Okay, I want to give display as inline block so that we can give some height and width 100%. The padding top and bottom 10 pixels, left and right 0, and text decoration none, and font size 20 pixels. And color white, and give some transition value. Okay, save it and go to the browser. See, these are our links. When we hover on these links, we want to change the background color. For that, again select this, copy. Here, hover. We want to change the background color. Yellow green. Okay, save it and go to the browser. Now see, it's working. Now the main point is we don't want to show this sidebar when we load the page. We need to hide this sidebar. For that, go to sidebar element, this one, here transform and translate x. Okay, minus 100%. Okay, translate x moves the element in x direction. Okay, and minus means moves the left side, and 100% means full width of the element. So basically what we are telling here, move our sidebar full width to its left from its x0 position. Okay, I'll show you where that is. Here we can't see it, but here is our sidebar's x0 position. Can you see the mouse pointer? Yeah, this is from here we are saying move left, and there is no page. Okay, then our sidebar will be invisible. Okay, see, as soon as I save this file, it is going to be invisible. See, it's gone. Now whenever we want to show the sidebar, for that I'll create another class. Okay, active. Here we'll use transform again, translate x 0. This means what we are saying, from elements x0 position we are saying just move 0. That means it does not move anywhere, so we can see our sidebar. Okay, save this file, and I will show you how it works. Copy this class and go to HTML file, here our sidebar, and paste the class here. Okay, now as soon as I save this file, our sidebar will appear again. Okay, save this and go to the browser. See, it appeared. Now cut this class, Ctrl X and Ctrl S to save, and go back to editor. Sorry, go back to browser. See, it's invisible. Now the main point of this video is how to add a CSS class to an element at runtime, and how to remove a class from an element, how to check whether an element contains a class or not. Okay, these things we can do from JavaScript at runtime. Okay, now let's go to JavaScript file, and we will implement this functionality. Okay, and I want to close this file window. For that, Control B. Okay, here first we will access btn menu and sidebar element. Okay, now first we add click event listener for our button. Here what we'll do, whenever we click on this button, we'll check whether our sidebar contains a class named active or not. Okay, for that, if class list dot contains, and give the class name without dot. Okay, if the sidebar contains this class active, then this if is going to be true. Then we want to remove the class from the sidebar. Okay, now if this condition is false, that means sidebar does not contain active class, then we will add it. Okay, now save this file and go to the browser. Now click. If it is not added, it will be added to the sidebar. Okay, like this. Now one last method I want to tell you is toggle. Okay, first select this and Ctrl/ to comment, and here active. See, basically what we have done here, this toggle will do. Okay, if this sidebar contains this active class, then this toggle will remove that class. If sidebar does not contain this class, then toggle will add that class. Okay, save this one, go to the browser. Here see the same functionality. That's it for today. I hope you like this video, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay.